I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your OKX account can seem tricky, but it is actually straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your OKX account. Start by logging into your OKX account on the website or app. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the account section and find payment methods. This is where you can manage your payment options. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the payment methods section, look for the option to add credit card. Click on it to proceed with the addition. Step 4. Enter your card details. Fill in the required information, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, confirm the information and click Save or Add Card. You should see a confirmation message if it is successful. Remember, if you encounter a message saying the card is invalid, double check the card number and expiration date for accuracy. Now you're all set to use your credit card on OKX. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.